Hey, what's up guys? This is Pavel from PS.Custom and I would love to show you my last build. This is Peugeot Boxer, the smallest one, and then the shortest one. It's a L1H1 and it's built only for two people. There's a lot of cool things in this car which I'm really proud of, and I have to say this is one of my favorites. Car I ever built, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna build more cars like this for only two people because it makes sense for me, and I think this is the right way I should go, and this is the layout I really like, and I think there's a lot of room, a lot of space, a lot of storages, and still very spacious place inside. And when you sit inside, you feel really like in the big car, actually. You know, everybody who sat inside, who was sitting or laying down on the bed, told me that I'm really surprised how much space is inside, because these people, they were really afraid of how much space will be inside of this small car. So let me show you how is it inside. I will show you what we have over there, and I'll talk about it a little bit more, but I'm gonna make it really short. So let's look at it. Okay, so let's start from the front. We changed the swivel seat, of course, is here because it's necessary, and the double seat is out of the car. Then also I installed this camera. It's recording the front and the back in one time. It's full HD. I really like this one because it gives you the feeling like you're still in the regular car, and you can see behind the van all the time, because this camera is showing you the rear camera all the time, so you can really feel like it's a regular car with the rear window. So we have a 2 kilowatt diesel heater under the seat. Of course, there's a swivel, like I said. Then we have in this living area, we have this kind of layout like a Westphalia or Marco Polo from Mercedes. So we have all the furniture on the left side. Yeah, so you can see the kitchen. There is a compressor fridge of Indel. That's Indel B compressor fridge, 41 liters. Then two burner portable stove, just really cool. So you can take it out, you can cook outside, you can cook inside if you feel like. Then the top drawer is so the top one is, of course, the regular drawer, so you can have knives and forks and or whatever you need inside. But the top is this bamboo, and it's a worktop extension kind of. Yeah. So also it's a table for which is if the customer is sitting on the front seat. So this is for him, kind of like a table. Okay, so next one, portable toilet, of course. It's very simple. It's also like a leg rest, so if the customer is sitting here and kind of chilling on the front seat, so he can straight up his legs and kind of chill, you know, with his legs up, which is really cool because he is after surgery, hip surgery. So this is exactly the height as he asked. So I'm kind of trying to follow all his numbers, all his needs, to make this car as most friendly as possible for him and his wife. Then we have sink, some drawers, some storage under the sink. Yeah, so It's a little bit difficult for me to show you everything and talk about it and then like make it work on the video. So I have my little assistant here. And he's gonna help me to show you everything because he is a part of this company actually, and he was working on this car also. So let's do it. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some storage in the kitchen, and yeah, that's it. Then also we have more storage in the furniture above. Yeah, so we have another one. Is behind, and then the third one is on the back, and also above the kitchen there is some storage for the small stuff, but still pretty cool. You know, you can get some cups over there, maybe some food and whatever they need. We have a 230 volts on the from the inverter, and also from the hookup from the outside. Yeah, we have 12 volts and USB ports all over the car. This time we have this roof electric window. It's from China, and it works really well. It's with the integrated light. Okay, so this is how it works. The next one, Lagoon table. It's a really cool feature. Honzik's gonna show you how it works. This table, it's adjustable, so you can actually slide it on in front of you, on the side, wherever you want to, and you can even use it outside from the van. So if you are standing out and then you just wanna put your coffee on the top of the table or anything else, you just slide it out, then you put it back on position where it's supposed to be. Okay, this is it, right? And then you have here this safety, right? And then you tie it up and it's not gonna move anyhow. You can raise it up or down, lower it down if you need to. So you can also take it out very simply. You just release this and then you just pull this leg out, and then the table is gone. And the mounting bracket stays on the board, on the front board. This is actually couch, which turns to the bed, which we're gonna show you right now. So the table is going out with the bed actually. So let's do this. You have to move the table on the mounting bracket on the side. Then you just pull these two logs down. And here you go. Now you have the half of the job is done. So the couch is outside. There are heavy duty slides, 200 kilo slides, which are really strong. So we are not worried about the strength of the couch. And the next step is just unlock the back side of the couch and just lower it down, and you have a bed. This is how it bed looks. It's 150 centimeters this way and 200 centimeters this way, and I'm gonna show you from behind how it looks. Okay, so this is it. 200 centimeters, a little bit over 200. Then we have some storage here behind this wall. It's actually the whole electric system over there, so you can get there, and this is for the maintenance. Yeah, so everything is over here. We have a charger on 230 volts, then we have some breakers. Here we have PWM charge controller, like a solar charge controller, and DC Orion TR Smart from Victron Energy. Also there is an inverter, sinus wave, 500 volt ampere, and it's kind of like as always in my builds, there is a active cooling system with a digital thermostat, which is set up on 35 degrees, I guess, and it's gonna turn on when the sensor turns or reach 35 degrees, and it's gonna cool the whole system down, or it's gonna keep cooling this place down till it's reach 25 degrees, and then it turns off. So everything is right here. The battery is down in this area. You can get there with this small service space or service door over here. Then we have a water system. There are two water tanks under the bed. So here, right under the bed, is actually really big storage area, and then under this storage area is another one, which is 1 meter deep. So you have a really nice deep drawers, and behind these drawers there are two water tanks, 50 liters each. One is for the clean water and one is for the black water. So we have a 50 liters of water, we have a sink, and we have a rear shower. Yeah, so we have some reading lights with USB ports. We have some storage over here with 12 volts and USB ports also. Then more storage over here. It's really huge. And there is one more over there. So we have plenty of storage. We have a really nice bed. This is cold foam, I guess, inside of the mattress. We use the cold foam, so it's really comfy, and I hope the customer is gonna sleep really well over here. There is more storage above here, some shelf, then the control panel with control panel from the diesel heater, and smart TV on the side of the wall, and that's pretty much it. 175 watt solar panel on the roof, and I guess that's it. And the last thing I want to show you is our screen. Yeah, this is the screen we're using for all the cars. I really like this one. There is one more on the back of the car, so we have two screens. Both are installed under the rubber, under the seal around the door, so there is no way to get bugs or mosquitoes or anything inside. So you can actually have open door all day long and to get some fresh air, and at the evening you just roll it up, open the window, pull the screen in the window up, so no way to get a mosquito inside. Yeah, and the last thing I done here is this light, outside light, and it's on the rain rail. So actually this one is from the stainless steel. It's coated black, and it's better for when you use it for the H2 or H3 for the higher vents because of the water dripping down to the car. But this one also works as a light, the outside light with the dimmer on the remote. So this one is really cool. And I think last thing is this aluminum bracket here, which holds the awning outside. We have a kind of like a tarp and two legs, and you're just gonna slide it in, and then you build the legs and fix it or secure it with the ropes, and then you have a really nice awning, about 3 meters long and 2 meters and 2.5 meter wide. So that's it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you did understand what I said. I'm really apologizing, or I apologize for my English. I'm totally losing my words, even if I'm watching all the movies in English. It's not the same as when I was living in USA and talking to people every day. So slowly but surely I'm kind of losing my English, and I'm sorry for that. Anyway, I hope you did understand what I said, and I hope you like it. You like my van. It's a really nice build. I really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to build another one, which is gonna be probably in different colors, but the same layout. I think this layout makes sense, and I really like it. I really like the space inside, and I really like all the features, all the storages inside in this van. So now we have about 4 months kind of off, because we bought the house, and we're gonna working our asses on the house probably every day. So we just stopped all the builds right now, and then we're gonna focus at our lives. And also we are expecting baby in next month, so it's gonna be kind of funny and I think it's gonna be a very interesting time for us as a family, and we will be back. I think probably it's gonna be from the new place, because we're gonna build a shop in on the house, you know, like next by the house. So we have a big property with the house and a lot of space around, and we're gonna build a shop right on the property, so we can kind of be with the family, be with the kids at home, and also be at work, because that's how we can survive, right? We can make money, and then we can buy stuff. So have a good day. If you didn't subscribe us, or if you are not subscribing us right now, then hit the button subscribe. You can hit the like button. If you don't like it, then you don't like it, and that's also okay. And we'll see you in the next video in a few months. So peace.